Hello KCET aspirants, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone are doing great and preparing well for your KCET exams. Are you feeling unsure about where to start the KCET exam? Yes, most of the students feel same. But once you have the clear idea about the exam, it becomes easy. In today's video, we will be discussing syllabus according to most weightageable chapters and easy scientific techniques to guess the correct options. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. First, we'll go through the syllabus. According to the 11th syllabus, here are the number of chapters respected to the expected questions in 2026. Go through it thoroughly. Now go through the 12th syllabus. Here are the chapters and respected to their expected questions. Here you can see current, electricity, electric field and charges, and moving charges and magnetism. They have high weightage. Okay. So go through it thoroughly. I think you all know the KCET pattern. It is the offline mode examination and the type of the exam is MCQ type. There will be 60 questions for each subject and the duration of the exam is 1 hour 20 minutes. So you will get 60 minutes to solve the 60 questions. Now I am going to explain the scientific techniques to guess the correct options. So watch the complete video and don't miss the single technique. It will be very helpful for your KCET examination. These techniques obviously works. If you apply these techniques, maybe your answers get correct and you can score at least 10 to 20 marks more and you can improve your rank. I will explain the 7 easy techniques or methods to solve the questions. First, elimination method. Second, zero is best. Third, dimensional analysis. Fourth, extreme values. Fifth, similar options. Sixth, substitution. Seventh, particular options. So let's go through the first technique, that is elimination method. Whenever you don't know anything about the question, you always try to eliminate two options. The probability of guessing one option from two options will be more to get the right answer. ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Let's understand this with an example. Vapor pressure of a solution containing 18 gram of glucose and 178.2 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius is. Vapor pressure of pure water at 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 760 torr. So there are 4 options. A 76 torr, B 752.4 torr, C 7.6 torr and D 3207.6 torr. As we all know that whenever we add the solute, the vapor pressure decreases. So by saying the 4 options, we can easily eliminate the 4th option. And 760 won't decrease directly to 7.6, right? So we can eliminate 3rd option also. So the very first thing, when you have no idea about the question, always try to eliminate the options. The second technique we can use is zero is the best. It is the observation we have seen in many questions. If you know how to solve, then please try to solve it. But when you don't know how to solve, and if you have zero as an option, then there will be a high probability of zero getting the correct. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ತುಂಬ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. We'll go through an example. 2 moles of an ideal gas expanded isothermally and reversibly from 1 liter to 10 liter at 300 Kelvin. The enthalpy change for the process is option A 11.4, option B minus 11.4, option C 0, option D 4.8 kilojoule. I have 0 in the 3rd option, then choose 0. If you solve also, you will get 0 as the correct option. Now the third method, dimensional analysis. you are stuck in any question and if there is any formula, then dimensional of LHS is equal to the dimension of RHS. So based on that you can choose the correct option. Now the fourth method, similar options. You have 4 options. If the options which are similar to each other, then the probability of getting any one of those similar options is high. To understand this, for example, Henry's law constant for the solubility of N2 gas in water at 298 Kelvin is 1 into 10 power 5 atmosphere. The mole fraction of N2 in air is 0.8. The number of moles of N2 from air dissolved in 10 moles of water at 298 Kelvin and 5 atmospheric pressure is. So there are 4 options. Option 1, 4 into 10 power minus 4. 2, 4 into 10 power minus 5. Option 3, 5 into 10 power minus 4. Option 4, 4 into 10 power minus 6. If we see options, we have 3 options starting with 4 and 1 option with 5. So easily we can tell third option is not the correct one. Now you can do the calculation for 3 other options. So whenever you have similar options, that will have more probability of getting the correct answer. Next method, substitution. If there is a quadratic equation and you need to find the value of x, then you can substitute options one by one and find out which satisfies the equation. So one by one substitute the 4 options and choose the correct option which satisfies the equation. Now the next technique is extreme values. Suppose for a question, if you get the options like this, 3, 45, 48, 2064, you can find that the fourth and the first options are extreme to each other. So definitely will eliminate first and fourth option, and answer lies between second and third option because they are near to each other. So like this you can eliminate the extreme values. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೋದು. The last technique is particular options. If in a question you have these options like all of the above, none of the above, both A and B, both B and C, then don't consider none of the above as an option because it has a rare chance to get right. But if you have all of the above as an option, then please choose that. It has a high probability to get right. If you have both A and B, both B and C in your options, then it has also high probability of getting right. In a question, if you have both A and B and all of the above as an option, then choose all of the above because all of the above have more probability of getting right. I hope you understood all these techniques well. Please do practice in your mock test. If you know any other techniques, then please do comment below. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Prepare well for your exam and like, share and subscribe my video for more interesting videos like this.